You will need two 9/16 wrenches, two 1/2-inch wrenches, a 1/4-inch Allen wrench, a 5/16 Allen wrench, and a soft blow hammer.
Yep.
Attach the posts to the legs using the 3/8/16 by 3/4 socket head bolts and lock washers. Do not tighten yet. Align the holes of both posts using the long 3/8 bolt. Then tighten the bolts in the posts.
I'm not going to stop recording.
Remove the long bolt. Repeat for the other leg. Insert the rubber bumpers into the ends of the top shelves. Then insert the end caps. Repeat the procedure for attaching the posts to the top shelves. Place the legs on a flat surface and space them apart with the bottom cross member, the one without the label, so that the holes in the cross member align with the holes in the post.
Okay.
Place a column over a post and align the holes. Fasten using the 3/8/16 by 2 hex head bolts, lock washers, and nuts. Tighten the nuts finger tight. Mount the bumper stocks, then mount the wheels on each leg using the shoulder bolt and lock nuts. Tighten the nuts. Mount the casters to the other end of the legs using the 5/16 18 by 1 inch hex head bolts, washers, lock washers, and nuts. Tighten the nuts. Place the rack on the floor. Place the top shelves into the columns and locate with the 3/8/16 by 2 bolts. Do not push the bolts all the way through. Position the top cross member, the one with the label, between the columns and push the bolts through into the cross member. Insert the remaining bolts and add the lock washers and nuts. With a rack sitting on a flat surface, make sure that all 4 wheels are touching. Then tighten all of the bolts that go through the columns, posts, and top and bottom cross members. Insert the end caps and rubber stops into each shelf. Use the 3/8/16 by 2.5 inch hex head bolts, washers, lock washers, and nuts to attach the shelf brackets to each shelf, so that the holes closest to the shelves are on the bottom. Place a third bolt with its washer, lock washer, and nut through that hole. Place each shelf on the column and insert the final bolt, washer, lock washer, and nut. Slide the shelf to the desired height, then tighten all of the nuts.